Hello everyone, this is David from DIY Games. This is a special request item. It is a Mermaid Door Hanger. As you can see, there's a lot of depth to this particular item. I use 1/4-inch plywood. Use the textured side to paint on, that way to give it a little extra texture to it. Now, I drew the image onto 1/4-inch plywood, cut it out on a scroll saw, went all around it with the router, sanded everything, put 2 coats of white paint on both sides, then did the same thing with the shell. Then I ended up painting the tail, did the teal green first. Then I did the color of its skin. I did not want it to just be white, so I did a little mixtured color. Did the hair in solid black. Then I went back, put a few different color tones in it. See if I can get a good shot of it. There we go. Just to give it a little bit of unique qualities for the hair itself. Then for the crown, just did a pretty basic design for the crown itself. Now, to actually hang the shell and the actual hanger itself, use copper wire. This piece is just solid copper. This is actually 3 different types of wire. This is traditional copper wire, a red copper wire, and then also stainless steel wire. That way to give it a little extra color to it, rather than just regular wire. And then here's the bow. The bow, to me, just kind of brings everything together. Has a lot of different colors involved. Has the glitter, which also I did go ahead and put some glitter. See if you can see it. There is actually glitter on it. Might not be able to see it, but there's glitter on it. And then for the skin, glitter started falling from the bow, but it worked with it. It looks really good. Anyway, this is the Mermaid Door Hanger. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any other ideas. And stay tuned for all of my future requests. There have been quite a few requests. I'm going to see if I can get to all of them. And thank you again.